Yo, back again. This time we're at our house in Toms River. A little more inland, I would say maybe about 10 miles inland, but I mean we're still getting crazy wind effects, so you get to watch these trees right now. That's nothing. I mean 60, 65 mile an hour gusts, I would think, right now. And it's not even slowing down, it's going to get worse. See that one blowing. I'm sure you can probably hear the wind. It's dumping rain right now. Listen to those trees, listen to that. Craziness right here. It's supposed to start getting crazy, a lot more crazier. Insane, probably around 8 o'clock minimum. Minimum 8 o'clock is going to be the worst of the storm. Oh yeah. Yeah, listen to that wind. Listen to it. There's Raven right there, chilling. About to post this video, among the others. You probably hear the rain slapping up against the camera. I mean, it's dumping rain here. Dumping rain. We're going to keep you updated as much as I can before the power is going to go out. The power is indefinitely going to go out, I'm sure, just with the winds alone. We'll keep you updated as much as we can. Feels like it's coming down on us, man. Holy hell. Holy hell, man. Irene was nothing compared to this. Nothing. Just gonna get worse.